was born to be free.
Good morning, everybody. How are y'all doing today? Happy Thursday. Yesterday we didn't stream, but today we are back. What's poppin', everybody? Listen, man, I'm in a good mood today, but before I say good morning to everybody, I need y'all to do me a solid, and I need y'all to drop the pickle emojis if the sound check checks out. All right, how are we doing today, everybody? Let me make sure the sound check is good while I say good morning to y'all. Arctic Fox is the first one in the chat. What's up, my man? How are you? Good morning. Bout Bot with the upside down smile. What's up, my brother or sister? No discrimination here. E Davila, what's up? Tommy Luck, good morning. Eric, my boy, good morning. And listen, guys, big prayers to Eric and his daughters, was it? Yeah, to Eric and his daughters, okay? The channel sends lots of love your way, my friend. I am praying for their recovery. God bless you. God bless them. And I'm sure that the ones in the chat also can spread some light your way, my friend. Best of luck to them. Not a bot. On a lighter note, Eric says he's killing the market today. Woohoo. He was a loser before Gio and Tino. Hey, man, I'm just a guy, okay? I'm just a kid that figured the game out. Kind of. I like to believe kind of I figured it out. And I'm glad that you're starting to progress, my brother. We talked a couple times in the Discord as well on live chat. So, you know, it's an absolute honor, my friend. Philly's in the chat. What's up, my boy? How are you? Matt, drive safe, brother. Good morning. Good morning. Chris, don't get pissed. Good morning. It's your world. Just passing through the best name on YouTube. What's up, brother? Good morning. Cloudmar is dancing. Guys, we're in an amazing mood today. Johnny says, hey, Gio, how's it hanging? Really appreciate your sweet alpha. I appreciate that, man. Guys, hit the like button every single day on this channel. I stream and I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. So let's get those likes up. And I also do giveaways for every... We're changing it up, but I do giveaways approximately every 100 likes. So make sure you hit the like button. It is a free way to support me, and we'll get right into the Bitcoin news here. Johnny says, hello from gray, rainy UK. Bro, this intro gets you hyped AF every single time. Let's go, Gio, send the playlist. Man, this is the best I can do with my, this is the best I can do with my, I get copyrighted every stream, man. Sigma Bill, just start the stream, you scammer. Guys, listen, I use that countdown to get everybody, like I gotta start pushing it out to my socials. But what's up, man? How are you? Welcome back. I know who you are. Growing veggies. Yeah, we're growing veggies. All right, sound check is good. We're doing well here. Good morning, guys. I'm in a great mood. Listen, before we begin, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin here. We're gonna really talk about Bitcoin today. Today's gonna be a good one, but let me just say this, guys. I woke up in an amazing mood. I'm in good health. I'm vertical to the ground, and man, today's an amazing day to celebrate life. I decided. I don't know. I mean, I'm always in a good mood, but today's a very good day to celebrate life. So if you're vertical to the ground and you're in good health, you have a good family, you are absolutely blessed. Blessings to all of you. I hope you guys all have an amazing day and an amazing weekend. All right, let's get into it. Jet, my boy, remember how we said maybe reject off the higher fib each time? Yes, I do remember, and we are going to talk about that. Dice, bro. Dice, good morning. Good morning, Dice. I'll never forget about you. I'm sorry, bro. It's hard. Nick Flat, good morning. Eric, good morning. Kiefer, good morning. Matt, good morning. Jew, good morning. Salman, good morning. Crypto Sam, good morning. Gojeta, good morning. I'm sorry, man. I don't mean to stop anybody. You need that intro music for your Miami trip? Hey, I'm going to Miami next month. Maybe I'll see you there if you're there. Love the pre-stream vid. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. All right, guys, listen. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay? And I actually want to... We're going to talk about this. Jet, remind me later. We're going to talk about this. But let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's keep it simple, okay? We're going to start on the daily time frame, and we're going to come on a clean chart, okay? The lines and whatever, that's all the scalp levels, fine, whatever. But we got to talk about what's going on in the macro of it, okay? I mean, macro, guys, not really much has changed. Like, we've been ranging. We've been in this range for like a week now. We've been, in my opinion, relatively overextended for about a week now. Let me get my TA shades on. We've been overextended for quite some time, but we've just been ranging. So Bitcoin has been doing absolutely nothing. Why is my thumbnail saying a bearish market cipher thing is flashing? Well, guys, if you come on the daily time frame, and especially if you've been around on the stream before, you guys know that I talk about my momentum waves, okay? But I don't talk about them in a traditional sense, the way that market cipher talks about them, okay? I don't say anchor trigger wave. Not to hate on that. There's nothing wrong with it. But for me, I have just found that I have more success with my own definition of waves. Today, guys, is the day where the spike wave actual video, it's done. So the spike wave video is coming out today. So you'll know more about it. But every single day on stream, we talk about it, guys. And the bearish signal that it's printing on Market Cipher B objectively, okay, objectively is this spike wave on the daily time frame. Okay, just to recap, in case you're new here, let me explain to you what it is. A spike wave is essentially when your momentum waves are diverging along with money flow. Okay, so I named this a spike wave, and you're gonna know why in today's video. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. We got a spike wave. We have money clearly coming out of Bitcoin. We have the momentum waves clearly diverging on the daily time frame, guys. This is no joke, okay? Over time, while we are consolidating in this range up here. Does that mean we can't go higher from here? Absolutely not. But it is our job as traders to identify what is going on, identify the probabilities of what might happen, what might not happen, and play everything. I mean, I trade range by range. So I'm long, I'm short, I don't care. I'm actually not long right now at all. And I'm not really interested in any longs right now, even locally. But that's not what today's about. It is our job to identify the probabilities. And right now, Market Cipher B is clearly showing us multiple divergences over time with money flow coming out as well. Okay? And it's going to come out today. The video is coming out today in regards to spike waves. So I got you, bro. Spike wave tutorial is coming. All right. Now, this is a significant spike wave for two reasons, which again, you'll know in the video, but let's be objective. Okay. I don't want any haters in the chat. I don't want us to pump to 55 to 57K. And you guys are like, oh, Gio's an idiot. Guys, look, I'm not saying we can't get up there. We're going to talk about 55K. We're going to talk about 57K and 58K and potentially even like 62K. We're going to talk about it. However, the spike wave is the spike wave right now. This is like, I think objectively, even the Moon Boys can admit that we are diverging, okay? The divergences are there. Now, I have to say this as well. We've been ignoring divergences for a very long time, okay? For a very long time. But I want to bring your attention to this spike wave as well, because this absolutely was a spike wave, okay? This one down here was a spike wave. We had momentum waves coming down while we were making a higher high. Okay, so we had a spike wave recently, right? Momentum waves were coming down while we're making a higher high, and money flow was also pouring out of Bitcoin. Okay, so this spike wave here is no different than this guy. And I just want to remind you that this spike wave here on the daily time frame produced us a 21% move to the downside. Okay, I'm just stating the facts. Don't come at me. I don't like this song. What is this song? We're going to dump this song. We're going to go here. Okay. So you have to be aware of that. Okay. So we have right now potentially bearish signs forming on the daily time frame that I am not crazy about. Okay. I am worried about it. Now, people are going to say, Gio, you've been bearish since 38K, whatever. Yes. Yes, I absolutely have been. And I don't want to say bearish is the right word. I would say cautious is the better word. And it's because there was like, we have reason to come down. Okay. We have reason to come down. And so whether or not we do is a different story. Bitcoin, as I said, has been ignoring all the divergences the whole way up, right? So whether it happens or not, fine, but it is there objectively. Now, people are probably going to refute this statement and say, yeah, but Gio, look at the 2-day. Yeah, but Gio, look at the 3-day, you know, and this is my answer to that. Here's my answer to that. You are correct, right? You are correct. The 3-day objectively looks bullish, right? We know the number one rule with Market Cipher is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. So we know we could keep getting divergences, right? We know that the 2-day, the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, and this is pretty thick money flow. So can we continue higher, and will we? I want to say actually it's probable too, because the number one rule with Bitcoin or with Market Cipher is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. I don't know about you, but yes, I see a 1, 2, 3 tap, but and potentially a 4 tap. But right now, money flow is very, very thick. Okay. And so when money flow is thick like this, we could say that it's possible that we're going to get another wave down, however long down we go, while money flow still remains thick. We'll get a green dot wherever the green dot may come in. And then we could put in one more divergence. So we could get something like this. Okay. Now, I'm not saying this bearish signal on the daily is going to take us to 30K. That is not at all what I'm saying. Okay, not at all what I'm saying. But when you are trying to understand Market Cipher and you're trying to say, yeah, the 3-day money flow is super thick, but the daily money flow is pouring out. How do I approach this? How do I address this? You guys need to know that the time frames leak into each other. And so the daily time frame will leak into the 3-day time frame, for example. Okay? And what do we know about the second number one rule, right? The first one is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. The second one is whenever you have, oh, we got some beats today. The second one is whenever you have a red dot, you got to look to the left and you have to say that those vector candles can get recovered. Are they going to? Not always, but they can. And so if we are approaching the rules in that the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, we know that we could get another divergence here on the 3-day, but we also know this is a 3-day time frame. Okay, so we could, for example, get something like this on the 3-day where the next high could be in like April, for example, which coincidentally is exactly when the halving is, for example. Okay, so we could get a pattern like this, and all I'm suggesting right now is the daily time frame is looking like this red dot may print relatively soon here. Okay, relatively soon, giving us, we know that thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, and we know we're allowed to start looking for shorts at the point in which we have a 3 tap. In this case, although these are part of the same waves, we actually have a 4 tap. We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, and we got 4. Okay, so we have 4 divergences right now on the 3-day time frame. And currently, as things stand, if we are going to, if the daily, this red dot and this money flow divergence and this spike wave is going to play out, you can best believe that on the 3-day, you're going to hit this red dot soon, maybe in 1 day and 9 hours. And then that's going to produce us a relatively, however far move to the downside, to then put in that lower or the higher low maybe, or a hidden divergence here. We don't know, right? We don't know yet. On the 3-day time frame, and then put in another high and potentially do something like this. Okay, so am I saying the high is in? No. Am I saying the low is in? No, not at all. But this is my overall narrative right now on the higher term time frames. Okay, this thing has room to go down. Okay, it absolutely does, and it is irresponsible for us to ignore the fact that it could do that. Is it going to do that? We don't know. But how are we going to approach it now? Okay, how are we going to approach it? Gio, you're saying you're bearish, but you're saying it could also go up. So how are we going to approach it? Well, we're going to approach it like we approach literally any range ever. We're going to play the range. When you're at the low of the range, you're going to look for longs. When you're at the high of the range, we are going to look for the lows or look to short. And that's all that we can do because we don't know which way it's going to play out. We have absolutely no idea. But what we do know is we're at VWAP right now and we could get a pretty decent rejection. We had a lot of longs just coming in right now. And if we were to lose VWAP, then all these longs will be underwater, for example. So when you build your narrative overall the way that I just did, and you can find key levels in the chart where you say, all right, it makes sense to short here, it makes sense to long here, etc., then you can absolutely say, well, the way that the daily time frame is looking, I want to hold on to the shorts a little bit longer than I want to hold on to the longs. You're allowed to do that. You're allowed to say that, and that makes perfect sense. So right now, for example, I'm not condoning to short from this level exactly, not at all. But if you decided that you wanted to short because right now we had a lot of longs coming in, okay? A lot of longs just came in. And if this starts to wick down, then we are absolutely going to be putting all of these longs underwater. Take a look here. We have 0 sells at the highs, 221, 500K, this is like 1.8 million in longs right now that are trapped underwater. And so if the candle starts to drop, we can say that these longs are trapped. Okay? We absolutely have that. And this is not even a sorry, hold on. Let me get my net longs. Yeah, so this move is actually shorts closing out and longs opening. So this is a rather strong move, but I'll say this, look, when we break through VWAP, nonetheless, we have a lot of longs at the highs here. So if we were to fall down here, then we could say, hey, this could produce, for example, that daily time frame. And shouts out to Candles Don't Lie, who says, ask Jay, he's really good at finding the tops and the bottoms. This is exactly what Jay does, bro. He literally trades the range for what it is. He's aware of what the higher time frames are potentially saying, and he's able to identify whether or not it's a good idea to hold the longs or hold the shorts a little bit more by analyzing market Cipher B. Now, I just went over the daily time frame, right? If I go over the smaller term time frames, like the 30-minute, we could see money's coming up. We could see that we SFP'd the low, and technically the target for the SFP'd low could be the high here. We know there's a vector candle up here. If I come to my real chart, I got a nice order block here at 52.6. So even though that's $1,000 away, am I necessarily wrong for saying that the daily time frame doesn't look the best and that we might come down? Well, no, because we're playing the range. But based on the daily time frame, based on the red dot that we could get on the 2-day or that we have on the 2-day, the one that we could get here on the 3-day, whatever, wherever the high, wherever when I do my analysis locally, I find shorts, I'm going to hold it a little bit longer because I'm aware that the daily time frame could, okay, keyword is could get relatively ugly, and we need to just be careful of it. And that's all you got to do. And so I updated my VIP members this morning in the Discord. I updated my VIP members over the past couple days, and I told them, guys, I'm not really interested in anything in this range because we've just been ranging. We've squeezed out money out of this range already. Shouts out to my VIP members. We shorted from here. We shorted from here. We shorted from here. We shorted from the very top. I unfortunately messed up my entry, but fortunately, I was live in the Discord with my VIP members up here when we took the short, and I might release that for my actual general public YouTube. But nonetheless, as we squeezed out a lot of positions out of this range already, and I don't think that right now it's worth the risk of trading in this little range. I think that we understand what the higher term time frames are potentially giving us. We understand that we could get a macro move to the downside. We understand that, like, for me, the higher we go, the more I will look to short because of the way that the daily time frame is looking. Okay, and eventually we will correct. Nothing can go up forever, and this is the longest in Bitcoin's history. Okay, this is the longest in Bitcoin's history where we have not had a 25% correction or more. And we know that in the healthiest bull markets, this is not my opinion, guys, this is fact. In the healthiest bull market, we still have minus 50% corrections, minus 40% corrections. Okay, we still have that. Johnny says, need to get into your VIP Discord. Yes, sir, brother. Come on over, man. We got live streams all the time. We got updates all the time. I gave an update this morning. You know, I give my charts to import, etc. Okay, we got a lot going on in there. And hey, listen, I stand by this. If you don't like it, I'll give you your money back. No problem. No problem at all. All right. So we know that that's how I'm approaching it. Now, I'm not saying I'm right. I'm not saying I'm wrong. I'm bringing you the facts. Objectively, the daily time frame looks like shit. Okay, objectively. And shouts out to Mr. Cryptoface himself, because I ran a poll on X here and I asked, I'm like, guys, how does the daily look? And I replied to it and I'm like, the daily looks like shit. And Mr. Cryptoface himself reposted it. So if you are here from Cryptoface, welcome. My name is Gio. Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, and I bring you the market cipher fire. And by the way, just so that you're aware, yeah, I got a new shirt, bro. Ox the dog, shouts out to you. And by the way, guys, I got a new shirt, but thank you for the free. No worries, bro. I got a new shirt. But what's it called? If you are new here from Cryptoface, welcome. I've been staring at the 1 minute time frame. Not even joking. This is how I learned market cipher. I stared at the 1 minute time frame for 3 years straight until I got this thing down. So I know a thing or two. I just spilt my tea all over the place. Yeah, let me give you the link for the Twitter. I can't find the thing that Cryptoface reposted, but that's fine. You loved my intro. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. That is the YouTube guy, or the Twitter guys. Head on over and give me a follow. I post things that are kind of outspoken over there, but go ahead. All right, let me catch up. We're going to talk about the higher levels now because we know that we could come lower. But I want to say hello, man. I miss you guys. Rahards, what's up, my brother? Good morning. You're trying to see BTCZ fall like Lizzo skydiving with no parachute. That's the best comment. Yo, Gio, your vibe you went through. No worries, brother. I'm glad. Let me know what you think of the boot camp that I gave you, bro. And when you're done, because you're gonna have the boot camp roll now, head over to the boot camp channels and drop me a testimonial if you would. And be completely honest, guys. Like, that channel is open for you guys. I want you guys to be honest with these testimonials. I don't want you to lie. Grayscale transferred around 3164 Bitcoin to Coinbase yesterday. Oh, did they really? Well, we'll see what happens, guys. We will see what happens. Wise to be cautious. What goes up must come down. And hey, listen, like, that's the thing, you know, I get a lot of like pushback because I'm so bearish, and how can I be bearish in this market? And the truth is, guys, is I know what it's like to lose a lot of, or make a lot of money and then lose a lot of money. Like, what's the point in holding your bags? What's the point in hodling? If you're just going to watch your balance go up and then watch your balance go down, like, what's the point in that? There's no point in that. There's no nobility in poverty. Shouts out to Leonardo DiCaprio, aka the best movie of all time is The Wolf of Wall Street. CF should make a set and spike wave basic strategy. Yo, honestly, I'm telling you that these videos, I believe, are gonna fly, like my tutorial videos, and I actually believe that these this terminology is going to be adopted. And hey, people of Market Cipher, man, if they are like, yo, Gio, can you run us a tutorial? I will absolutely do it. By the way, let me just say, shouts out to the sponsor of the channel, Market Cipher. I am an official sponsor. Great people over there. Nick's a G. CryptoFace is a G. And guys, if you are looking to purchase Market Cipher, which is this premium indicator, this premium oscillator here on the lows, which is the only indicator really, or the only oscillator that I use when trading, then you can click the link in the description. 20% off discount code TraderGeo. And of course, if you want to support me for free, alongside hitting the like button, because that's a free way to support me, then you can sign up to MEXC. The link is also in the description down below. It is my exchange of choice. All right, let's keep it cooking with Bitcoin here. Shouts out to Dumbo is from CryptoFace. What's up, my brother? Why use vector candles? You don't see Jason using them? Bro, you know what? I don't know why Jay doesn't use them. I really don't. I asked him and he says he doesn't use it. Why he doesn't use it, I don't know. But I will be the first to say Jay is a way better trader than I am. Okay, I learned from him. But he's on a different level. He's a lot better than I am. And one day I aspire to be as good of a trader as Mr. Jason Casper. I don't know why he doesn't use them. I really don't. Hey, Gio, when can we start using your indicator for the order blocks? That's a good question. I don't know yet. It's coming in the next month or so. I don't know yet. But relatively soon. Okay, relatively soon. And for those who don't know what he's talking about, I have my own indicator here, which helps me identify order blocks based on my own rules. Okay, so order blocks with my rules, it helps out. Okay. Have I tried Fu Manchu? No, I have not. I mean, I've seen it, but it's not the same money flow, and it's not good at all. It's not good at all. Sigma Pill, you found my tweet that CryptoFace posted. There we go. Been trying to give a testimonial, but you don't have access? Why? Yo, listen, my mods, if you're in here, Dak, because a lot of people are saying they don't have access. Can you check the permissions on that channel for me, please? Brother, if you don't mind. Because I don't really know what's going on with that. I don't really know what's... Yeah, you might need to verify. No stream for 2 days. My man is wearing a t-shirt and drinking tea. I know, man. I know. I took the day off yesterday, guys. I was working on some videos, and to be honest, I just had a lazy day. Like, it was a bad day for me yesterday. I would say different trading way, but you are still rocking. Hey, shout out to Igor, man. One of the OGs of the channel. Okay, so look. We're in our range, okay? What are we looking for right now? I'll give you guys the positions that I'm looking for. Why not? Nothing has happened. Why not? Currently, these are the shorts I'm looking at. If we can make it back up to 52.7, I will look to short it with the stop above the high, because I do believe this could be a significant high. We had inducement on this order block. We could absolutely come back up here and look to short it. And remember, I am looking to short it a little bit longer than I am looking to long it, okay? I'm looking to hold the shorts a little bit longer. If we take the high again, which we very well may, we do have a 1 hour order block at the high here, okay? That we could find resistance on. But really, the big level, and if we get up here, and I even tweeted, guys, I hope we make it up to 57K. I really hope we do, because we got some really strong levels at 57K. But I will be looking to short up here. The only problem I have with 57K is that literally everybody's waiting for it. And just like everybody was waiting for 13K at the low, it didn't happen. And when everybody's waiting for something, it doesn't happen. Okay, the signs... The truth is if the signs were, if we were up here while Market Cipher B was looking like this on the daily time frame, I would be like even way more confident. But we need to be aware that we could make it up there. We could get our blow off top, but nonetheless, you know, objectively doesn't look great. This is a great sign, but we haven't. All I'm gonna say is when everybody's waiting for a level, okay, when everybody's waiting for a level, we don't typically get that level. And I'm seeing a lot of people talking about 57K. Okay, I'm like the only one bearish, and not only am I the only one bearish, or cautious rather. I look like Looney Tunes. Not only am I the only one that's cautious that I'm seeing, but like I genuinely don't even understand how people could not be cautious. I don't know. And you know what's funny is that I started this YouTube channel. Actually, I was in Jay's Discord, and people were talking about how it was going to go in a certain direction. And I was like, yo, what are you guys talking about? This is looking like it's way going to go in the opposite direction. And my first video on YouTube was a market cipher tutorial. And then that just blew off. I had like 20K. That's like my most viewed videos. I have like 20K views on it. Anyways, I truly don't understand how people are even a little bit bullish. I really don't. But hey, to each their own. To each their own. Maybe I'm wrong. I was wrong at 38K, so I'll be the first to say that. I was bearish here too. What do I know? Okay. So the levels to the upside, right? We got a daily level up here that we could do. Now, the talks around the street. Okay, the talks around the street right now that I'm seeing, at least as per my algorithms. Okay, the talks around the table is the cycle is broken. Guys, I want to bring your attention to this idea, okay? I have not been on YouTube and have not been trading fully during last cycle, okay? So I don't know, okay? I am nowhere near as good of a trader as I am now back then, but this is what I will tell you, and it was brought to my attention from Mr. Jet here, okay? So let's look at recent cycles historically, okay? Because we know, actually, let's go on Bitstamp. Let's look at recent cycles historically. Oh yeah, I forgot that I drew this. Okay, so far, I mean, we're a little bit off. I drew this back in November. Let's see if this happens. That would be crazy if it does happen. Anyways, hear me out here. We're gonna hide all this stuff because I'm not gonna brag about it yet. Unless it happens, then I will. And if it doesn't, then I'll pretend like I didn't draw that. But listen. So check this out, okay? When we had our bull market in 2017, okay, where did the bear market rally? We're just gonna call it bull market and bear market rally, okay? Don't come at me because I'm saying this is a potential bear market rally. I don't know if it is, but this is what I will tell you, okay? So when we had our bull market and we had our bear market rally, where did the bear market rally reject from? It rejected from the 618. Okay, rejected from the 618. And actually, if I pull the 6.5, you could see it rejected from the 6.5. Okay, now the talks around the table are that the cycle is broken. The cycle is broken. This time is different. Yeah, this time is different. The cycle is broken. Whatever. Okay, so we rejected objectively. This is not my opinion. We objectively rejected from the 6.5, from the golden pocket in 2017. Okay, where am I? Oh no, that was in 2019. My bad. Okay, 2019 we rejected from the 6.5. Back in 2014, we also rejected. I mean, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Hold on, I got this messed up right now. I had this before. Jet, I might need you to tag me in, bro. I might need to tag you in. Wait, where am I right now? I just had this. I was so ready to give you guys this fire. Let's see. Oh man. All right, listen, we'll stick with this one. There was another one in the past. I don't know if that was it, but there was another one in the past here that rejected exactly from the 6.5. It should be here. It should be here. Either that or I am absolutely tripping out. Maybe it's this guy. No, it's definitely here. Oh yeah, okay, watch this. So look, back in 2014, when Bitcoin went on its bull run and then it came down for the bear market. We had our bear market rally, we'll call it. Then we came back down, and then we were off to the races. We rejected perfectly off the 618. Okay? Perfectly off the 618, we rejected. Back in 2019, when we had our bear market and then our bear market rally, we rejected exactly off the 6.5. Okay? Exactly off the 6.5. Currently, where are we now? We are currently rejecting off of, and the 702 is not really a number. Thank you for your help, bro. Not really a number, but just to show you the here, I'm actually gonna do this. We're gonna write 6.9. Let's write 6.95. Okay, I'm only drawing this one. Even 6.9 is better. I'm only drawing this to illustrate to you the difference. So look, remember, in 2014, we rejected off the 618. Okay, in 2019, we rejected off the 6.5. Now, on the next cycle, we are rejecting, give or take, off the 6.9 or 6.95 or 702, whatever it may be. Okay? The reason I'm bringing this to your attention is let's measure the distance between these and these, the differences. Okay? So, I mean, understand the percentages are going to vary because of price, right? But understand what I'm saying here. We, give or take, changed this much percentage from 2014 to 2019. Now we're in 2024, and we have, give or take, a similar percentage difference. So the people that are saying that the cycle is broken, guys, news flash for you. The cycle being broken, if the cycle is broken, I'm not saying it is, but just Market Cipher is showing us some pretty spooky things right now. But if the cycle is broken, that is a big if. I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller. If the cycle is broken, that, in my opinion, okay, my opinion, is not a good thing. Why is it not a good thing? Historically speaking, the halving is bullish, okay? Historically speaking, we reject off of whatever level we reject from. We have our sort of flash crash. You know, it's election year. We have a whole bunch of wars going on, a whole bunch of FUD, a whole bunch of uncertainty, whatever. And so objectively, the halving has been bullish. Right now, if we don't reject from right the fuck now, okay, and we just keep going higher, then the cycle is broken. What happens if we keep going higher and then the halving comes? Everybody thinks we're super, super bullish because it's the halving. Everybody knows the cycles by now. You know, bears have been getting wrecked this entire way up. Okay? Bears have been getting wrecked literally the entire way up. Bears have been getting destroyed. And especially at these zones, because this is the zone in which we need to be, or we should be rejecting as per the cycle. What the thing that is so like mind-blowing to me is these people that want the price to keep going up, like, or that are calling for the cycle to be broken, are not understanding that if the cycle's broken, like, the safety net that we have is the halving. That is your safety net. Guys, nothing goes up forever. Nothing goes up forever. This is the longest Bitcoin has gone without a 25% correction. This is the longest it's gone. And so if the cycle is broken like the bulls want it to be, guys, I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. I just see it. I call it how I see it on the charts. But if the cycle is broken, how everyone is saying, that's not a good thing. That is not a good thing. And the higher we go, the harder we will fall. I promise you that. All right, Crypto Sam says, Gio, we need to stop comparing past cycles. The liquidity was different. The players were different. No ETF. Buy pressure is higher now. Hence, listen, bro, this is what I have to say about that. Okay. This is my opinion on that. Every time it's something. Every single time they say that it's different. Literally every single time. And it's never different. I'm not saying it's not different this time, but I'm saying it's always something. Okay? There was another ETF, there was this, there was that. Look, even if the buying pressure is higher now, and even if it's different this time, do you think, somebody made an argument to me, not in a rude way, but somebody left me a comment on a YouTube video, and they're like, Gio, What about the ETF thing? Do you really think that the institutions are going to release this ETF and have their new investors in the red right away? Do you really think that they're going to dump on their investors? And the only answer I have to that is, since when did these institutions care about your profits and care about your portfolios? Guys, listen, news or not news, ETF or not ETF, whatever it may be, look, my job, or our job as traders, is to identify what's going on with the charts. And right now, things could pull back. Not saying they will. I'm not saying the cycle is broken. I'm not saying the cycle is not broken. But we need to understand basically what's going on here in the macro of it. And right now, at least what I'm seeing is people are way too bullish. And I'm seeing a lot of people saying what you just said, Crypto Sam. And I'll tell you this, brother. Look, it could be different. And if I'm wrong about it, then, hey, I trade range by range. I don't care. It literally doesn't matter to me. I don't care in the slightest. Don't care in the slightest. But, like, come on, man. They don't care about your money. They don't care about your portfolios. They never have. They never will. Let me just say. I'm just going to say that. Just going to say that. Y'all talking ETFs don't understand ETFs can also sell like Grayscale did. Yep. What goes up must come down. Yeah, guys. And look, like, you know, maybe we need to go higher. Maybe we need to hit these levels at 50. Like I said, man, I tweeted. I'm like, yo, I wish. I'm praying to make it up to 57K. I hope we make it up to 57K. Because I will look to short the farm at 57K. That is an amazing place to get a rejection from. However, I'm just telling you guys how I see it, man. Market Cipher B on the daily time frame objectively looks like shit. It looks like garbage. Does that mean that we can't come up? No. But it looks like garbage. So I will be looking to short it. And even if we get something like this, which is possible, even if we get another green dot here, another wave, another wave of divergence, and then we come up here, I will look to short it. Absolutely. Because why not? Why not? Anyways, that's my opinion on it. That's my take on it. All right, let's play catch up with the comments here. I don't know what some of these bulls expect, just up only. Bro, everybody is just saying up only. Everybody. And hey, I'm not saying that my prediction of 24K is going to come true. I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller. That's just a guess. Right? That's just something to make some noise on the internet. But I am saying that we haven't not had a 25% correction ever this long in Bitcoin's history. And the signs are here, man. The divs are here. The money's coming out. Right? ETF or no ETF. Don't think that they can't flash crash 10,000. Like, man, in the middle of a bull market. Guys, hold on, watch. I'm gonna pause the music. I'm gonna pause the music. I want everybody to listen to this right now. I'm gonna come back to Bitstamp. I want everybody to hear what I'm about to say. And then, hey, dialogue is open. But everybody hear what I'm about to say right now. Let's be objective, okay? Objectively right now, watch. Because somebody's like, yo, there's a lot of buying pressure. A lot of money is inflowing, whatever. Let's be objective, okay? And if I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. But let's be objective. Right now, on the weekly time frame, look at the volume candles, guys. Volume is nothing. Volume is nothing compared to where volume was in the bull market. Okay, look at this. Look at this huge volume is nowhere near where it was in the bull market. So to anybody that is saying that, oh, we have huge buying pressure, whatever, guys, the volume isn't even there yet. And ETF or no ETF, it doesn't matter. ETF or no ETF, the volume isn't there. You could say, people are buying. This is if people are buying. This is your volume. This is objective. You might not like what I'm saying, but volume is not as high as it was during the bull market. Why am I bringing it to your attention? Because people are saying that there is so much buying pressure because this time is different. ETFs, whatever. Where is it? I don't see it. Volume is not even close to where it was in the bull market. And in the healthiest bull market, I've said this many times, in the healthiest bull market possible, we have 40% corrections. This is the longest in Bitcoin's history where we have not had a 25% or greater correction. This little baby correction we got a couple weeks ago in January, whatever, was a 21% correction, and it barely even did anything to the local range of it, right? We had a whole macro range here. We barely even swept the range. So listen, I'm not saying that we're going to go down, but I am being objective. Listen, as traders, we have to live in reality. You can't be delusional. You have to say this is the fact. The fact is, oh, if the ETFs are going to change everything and whatever, money, the volume is not here. Where is the money? Where is it? Could money start to spike and we keep going? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. But right now, as of right now, I can't tell the future. I cannot tell the future. But right now, look at it. And by the way, objectively, not only is the volume down, but objectively, we have divergences on volume. Because look at where price was here, 41K. And look at how high the volume was. And now, look at where we are. And look at how low the volume is. So we also have this move that is not backed by volume. Just saying. Just saying. Shouts out to Dave Digital. Truly, I don't understand why you are emotional either way. Why do you care if it hits 47 or whatever? Yeah, exactly, man. Big shouts out to trader to Dave Digital, because I don't care, guys. I literally have I don't care which way it goes. I'm long and short like 90% of the time, but I'll tell you this, I'm not long right now. I closed my longs. And hey, if it goes to 50 to 60K to 70K from here and I'm not in a long, then congratulations to whoever made money. You know, congratulations. I'm not hating. I don't care. I don't care if price goes up or it goes down. I literally don't care. Right? But I bring you guys the facts. You have to look proportional to price. Yeah. After BTC making all-time high, for sure it will flush straight. Maybe, man, but maybe not. Not only weekly, but look at the 3-month. Let's take a look at the 3-month. I've never actually looked at the 3-month, but is this Bitstamp still? I mean, guys, I don't know. I truly think people are too optimistic with us taking the high here. I really believe that people are too optimistic with it. But I could be wrong. I was wrong at 38K. Like, I was cautious up here, just like I was cautious here. And then you know what happened? I didn't miss the move because I got in on a cheat sheet entry. And then I just started trading this range. That's it. And I was holding the shorts a little bit longer, and we caught the short from up here, and we took profit down here. And I wanted lower, but I didn't get lower. But it's not about what I want. That's it. It's our job as traders to be objective. But market cipher on the daily, man, looks like ass. Looks like shit. Absolute trash. Like, I don't know. I'm horrified longing here. Y'all said I read somewhere that second bull market was not powered by institutional money. It was mostly retail. I don't know, man. They say it every time, bro. Every time. Oh, institutions aren't in yet. Institutions this. The whole market is institutions, guys. The entire market is run by market makers, is run by liquidity. Believe me when I tell you, if market makers want to send price down, ETF or no ETF, they can send the price down. Charged. I'm not really in any trades right now, bro. I shorted the top. Actually, and look, I'll show you. Let me show you. So I shorted the exact top with my VIP members. Let's pause this. Take a look here, okay? I'm going to put the volume up. I shorted the top. This was a live stream in my Discord. I shorted with them. You are right. Hold on, I got to blow this up. Maybe we don't have absorption. Maybe we got like, because there's so many different. Okay, this is like taking long to load, but I'm gonna say this. When we were up here, I was live in the Discord. This was a live stream in the VIP Discord. We took the short together. It wasn't a giga position because I was able to understand that we could shoot up to 53.3 really quickly. But nonetheless, I was like, guys, I'm starting to get in here. I'm starting to ladder in. So we did short from the exact top. Unfortunately, yesterday, I accidentally messed up my entry. I accidentally shorted again on the wrong account. And so my entry is not really there right now. And I'm not really in any positions. Like nothing, like literally my accounts are blank right now in terms of like open position. Like I'm not really in any real positions. And I'm just gonna wait because nothing's at my level currently. And I'm gonna trade the range for what the range is. And so if we come higher, I'm gonna look to short. And if we come lower, I'm gonna look to long until it breaks in either direction. But I'm not actually really in any positions right now. Nothing fancy anyway. Nothing worth like showing or telling or whatever. I'm not here saying but I did short the exact top. But unfortunately, I messed up the position. She make a bet. All right, let's take a look at what's happening here locally. Because locally, we're getting a little pump on right now. And we'll see what happens here. We will see what happens. By the way, somebody asked me about EXO. We reclaimed VWAP. I'm learning EXO still, guys. I'm not wicked with it quite yet. But I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Let me love you. Shouts out to Crypto Girly. I missed you too yesterday, girl. I missed you too. Joe, can I do a stream for your B-Day? When is your B-Day, bro? Matt with the parkour video. No, this is not the same Matt. This is a different Matt. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway. Take your ass to the 5-minute and trade something. I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. I'm over this range. I'm over it. But anyways, any trades I will be taking are gonna look something like this. If I take some trades, it's gonna look like this. These are the trades I'm looking at currently. If Market Cipher ain't looking how I want Market Cipher to be looking, then I'm not taking it. But these are the trades I'm currently looking at. We need some new colors for these order blocks. Let me love you. This is what I'm looking at right now. Something like this. These two shorts. And this guy down here. For the long. Oh, that's ugly as shit. Anyway, we'll see if it happens. I don't know if it's gonna happen. We are just trading the range. But this one is interesting because I don't know if the high is in, guys. Even when we came up here, man, we had more divergences, more spike waves, more money flowing out. So I don't know if we're gonna take the high again. Oh, I actually really don't like this. I need a good color. Sure. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna make it this like to take the high again. But if we make it here and the signs are looking how the signs could be looking, I will look to giga short. And I will look to hold it down to break the range. And if I'm wrong, then I'll take profit and I'll get stopped at an entry. You know? Nah, bro, I'm not a fortune teller. All right, guys, make sure to hit the like button because we're going to do some giveaways. How many likes we got? We got 108 likes, 225 viewers. I'm going to do a bootcamp giveaway because we had 100 likes here. And, yeah. Tomorrow, February 23rd. Matt, I will absolutely do a stream for you tomorrow. Unless I get hit by a car or something. Which I hope doesn't happen. But if I don't remember, I want you to please remind me, brother. And we can sing happy birthday to you. Hi, how you doing? Green Vector to be recovered soon. Retro House Invasion. How are you, my friend? Welcome. You gotta let me know which vector you're referring to, brother. Is waiting for the range to be broken trading the range? No, not really. You're looking at the range and you know you build your positions and you say, okay, I'm gonna take this if I see what I want to see. I'm gonna take this if I see what I want to see. And that's all that we can do. I need to figure out these colors because I don't like these colors. But yeah, this is kind of what I'm looking at. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm a black and white kind of guy. What time is it? I got a haircut soon. Okay, in like an hour. You would love to hear me to sing for you? Yo, listen, if I piss off the Bulls, that's fine. I'm completely okay with that. Like, dude, listen, I said this. I live in reality. If they don't like it, then that's fine. And hey, if the Bulls are pissed off, then if you guys are pissed off at me, like I truly, and I don't mean this in a condescending way, I mean what I'm about to say. I hope you're right, and I hope you're making a lot of money. Because if we're gonna pump, you best believe I'm gonna get in. So don't worry about me. But hey, God bless, man. I hope you guys, if you're right, I hope you're right. I hope it goes up. I just don't know if it will. And that's the thing. I don't know if it will. I don't want it to go down. I want it to go down because of what the chart's looking like. Right? Because of how market Cipher B is looking. But I don't want people to lose money. I think retail makes the mistake of thinking they have any idea what dynamics of the market are simply because they trade. Yeah. Exactly. Listen, and tomorrow I could say huge market Cipher B bullish signal flashing. And like if shit changes in the next day, then yeah. You know, yeah, absolutely. Like I wake up the same as you guys, man. I check the charts, I take a shit, and I'm like, yo, like this is how, you know, this is how do this. I analyze the new data that's in front of me. What cap I got? WAP.com. WAP.com. Where's the bearish cipher though? Come on the daily time frame, bro. The daily time frame looks like shit. Looks like absolute garbage. We have money flow coming out. We have a spike wave here. Divergences after divergences. And we have a 3-tap divergence with our momentum waves. Like the daily looks abysmal. The daily looks like it's gonna confirm this 2-day, which actually this 2-day is already confirmed. But it looks like it's gonna start heading down. And it looks like it's gonna confirm this 3-day dot. And when this 3-day dot confirms, here's our 3-tap. 1, 2, 3. Because we know the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. And we know that this could produce a pretty significant move to the downside. We know that at the very least, this vector candle can get recovered. And we should not be surprised if it does so. That doesn't mean that we can't keep staying in this range for another 2 months. We can. But my job is to be unbiased. Shouts out to you, crypto rocket ship. My job is to be objective with it, and objectively, the daily time frame looks like ass. Is it gonna play out? I don't know. But we play the range. We play the range. A correction would be healthy if we want to keep seeing an uptrend. I agree, man. I agree. I think the higher it goes, the worse it is. Will the inflation affect the amount I have to pay? Yeah, man. Oh. You know what? Jay came in the other day and he super chatted me $200. So it eases up these royalty fees. But man, I give him $100 a step. Hey Gio, my birthday is today. Can I give you a bootcamp bundle for free? I won't give you a bootcamp bundle for free, but I'll give you a bootcamp for free. But you have to I'll give you two boot camps if you have to open a ticket and show us your ID. Signal Network, I love you too. I love you too. Where was the money flow at the beginning of the last bull run compared to now? Let's take a look at that. Let's come to the last bull run. So let's look at what happened here, okay? And I've actually went over this as well in the past, but let's hide everything. Let's come back to Bitstamp. Let's come back to, remember guys, I don't want to be bearish, but anyways, it is what it is. So I've compared these two. Let's take a look here, okay? So assuming we are in a bull run, which I don't know if we are, but assuming, actually, you know what? Let's not assume because let's not assume, because we don't know right now. Until we take the high, I'm not convinced, so we don't know. Well, let's talk about this. Oh, you already got it? Oh, okay. I'm sorry, man. Then you just made me look like an asshole. All right, Dave, check this out, bro. We're not going to assume, because it's like you said, we're traders. We got to be objective. And right now, it's too early to assume we're in a bull market. So let's come to here, okay? Here was the bull market. Here was the bear market. Here was the bull market rally, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this whole thing. We're going to import that bitch. And we're going to move that bitch over to what's going on right now. Okay, so let's take a look here. Let's be objective. Okay. We came from the bear market. Here was the bull market rally. So this here, if this is a bear market rally, and that is a big if, this here is this here. Okay. Let's watch market Cipher. Okay. We had green money flow, fine. This wave, currently where we're at right now, is looking to me a hell of a lot like over here, right? A lot like over here. And this spike wave, where's my pen? Where's my pen tool? Oh, my MacBook was covering it. Okay, so look, this spike wave right here is exactly this spike. Well, I mean, it's not even a spike wave. It actually even looks worse now because this is a spike wave because we have the divergence. But this is not the spike wave because we don't have the divergence. Okay. But nonetheless, we're just analyzing the market cipher part of it. We have money flow coming down. We have the momentum waves coming down as we kept getting price come higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Okay. What do we have here? Price coming higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. We got money. This looks identical to this. Like this is literally identical. What happened at the point where, look, we had our nice curve. We dipped down a little bit, had like one last fake out, green, and then down. This is the one I'm referring to. Look, thick green money flow, one last fake out, except this one gave you the huge divergence that we have. And then where did we go? Where did we go from there? Straight down. How far down did we go? I'm so glad you asked, Dave Digital. Thanks for asking. Thanks for making content easier for me. From the high, 70%. From the high, 70%. Meanwhile, I'm here preaching to you guys that we have never gone this long in Bitcoin's history ever without a 25% correction. At the same time, you and everybody else is telling me ETFs are different. It's different this time. It's different this time. It was different last time. Until I see it, I'm not going to believe it. 70% down. Forget 25. I'm here talking about 25%. People are saying that this correction was enough. Was it? Was it enough? Was it? Doesn't matter, COVID, guys. We're on the brink of World War III. You can't talk to me about a fake virus. We're on the brink of World War III. And fine. You know what? Fine. Let's not talk about COVID then. Why don't we just measure from here? Remember, this is the point we were analyzing, right? We were analyzing here. So we're going to still use this high because currently we are diverging. So let's pretend that this COVID dump didn't happen. Let's say this was our low. How much down are we? Oh, whoops. How much down? Well, fine. We'll forget COVID. 53% down. Does it change? Does it change that much? Fine, COVID, fine. We had a black swan event, fine. Let's disregard the remainder of it. 50% to the downside. First time we've gone over the macro golden pocket, bro. You weren't here in the beginning. clearly, which is okay, but I'll go over it again. 2014, when we came back, we rejected exactly from the 618. 2019, when we came back, we rejected exactly from the 6.5, which is give or take based on where we are here, like 4% on this in this price action. Okay, 4%. So if 2014 was here, 2019 was here, why can't 2024 be here? Right? So what if this time we reject like this? Man, I'm giving you guys fire today. No one's talking about this. I'm sorry, but people are way too bullish. Way too bullish. And if I'm wrong, but people are way too bullish. What happens if this time we reject from here? Because that would be a pattern, right? That would be a trend over the past cycles. 2019 or 2014, we rejected from the 618. 2019, we rejected from the 6.5. Why can't in 2024 we reject from the 6.9? Which is our give or take 0.3, 0.03, 0.04, whatever. Why can't we? Tell me why we can't. And that's it. Tell me why we can't. Guys, if I had 100 mics, I would drop 100 mics on you. I don't think that any perma bull can even argue with what I'm saying. Whether or not it happens is a different story. I am just bringing you the tea. I want to hear what our boy says. Rome's. Shouts out to you, Rome's. I want to know what you think about that. I want to know what you think, and not in a condescending way, bro. Please, I'm open to dialogue. I'm open to the discussion. But tell me that doesn't make sense. We absolutely can. We absolutely can. The thesis gives you butterflies. Guys, nobody's talking about it. Nobody. Everybody's saying Ethereum to 10,000. Bitcoin is going to take a new all-time high in August or in April. Guys, come on, man. Come on. If you're going to be a trader, then be a trader, but yeah, man. Cool. Thank you, Rome's. Yo, shouts out to Rome's. I appreciate. Look, I like people that can be objective, man. We live in reality. Leave the FOMO and everything else. The perma bull. Leave that for the liberals, man. Leave that for the libs. We live in reality here. We do cook in the VIP. We cook in the VIP. Guys, I shorted the exact top. You saw it. Unfortunately, I messed up the entry, so I'm not in the position anymore. But hello, we shorted the exact top. I'm going to make this video public for you guys. I'm going to make it public. But we shorted the exact top. I was in VIP with you guys telling you, yo, I'm in. Right here when we were up here. This is a VIP stream. All right, guys, let's do a giveaway and then I'm going to go. Because your boy I gotta take care of me. I gotta hit the gym. I gotta get a haircut tomorrow. I'm seeing Pitbull. I'm pretty excited for that. I don't play football, but I get a touchdown everywhere. Everywhere. Anyways, you heard it here first. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Fair play, but people are way too bullish. Way too bullish. Not even a little bit too bullish. Like, they are off their freaking bananas. Off their bananas. Off the heezy. Anyway, we'll see what happens. We will analyze as things progress here. We shall see. All right, guys, here's the game plan. First of all, I have a new video coming out today, which is fire, okay? Market Cipher video about spike waves. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure the like button here. Make sure the subscribe button. Because every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, right? We're not always talking macro. We're usually trading locally, but I'm over this local range, so we're talking macro today. Today's arm day, brother. Today's arm day, tomorrow's leg day. We're gonna die on leg day tomorrow. But listen, hit the subscribe button, guys, so you don't miss any of my notifications. And hit the notification bell rather, so you don't miss anything. And head over to Not head over. What am I saying? I'm ADHDing right now. Hit the notification bell, man. Hit the notification bell. Yeah, we're gonna get a song right now. Guys, this is what I need you to do. 2 days ago, I went live. Okay, 2 days ago, I went live. I'm gonna drop this link right now in the comments here. Everybody go to that link. Make sure you hit the like button on that video and drop a comment. I don't care what comment you write, but it has to have, let's do this wave emoji that Johnny just posted right here. I don't care what you say. Gio, you suck. Gio, you're an idiot. Gio, you're a perma bear. Gio, I hate you. Whatever, okay? Right here. As long as it has a wave emoji, it has to have a wave emoji. Shout out to Sigma. The giveaway is one of my 4 boot camps, okay? So I have 4 boot camps. Each are $105. And they're each about 3.5 hours long of pure content, which will teach you exactly what I'm looking for when entering. Okay? Exactly what I'm looking for. And I think I had somebody was talking about it earlier, but I missed the comment. Anyways, listen. I'm biased, so I'm not going to sit here and say that it's the best thing ever because I'm biased. But if you want to know more about it, head over to the Discord, click on the testimonials under the bootcamp channels, and like just see what the people are saying, okay? Don't listen to me. I'm biased. But I think it's good content, but again, I'm biased. S&P gonna dump soon? Yeah. Maybe. Hit the dang like button, guys. Anyway, so go ahead and leave a comment. It has to have a wave emoji. Leave a like. You have to have a like button, or else we're not gonna count. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to the or if you win, I'll tell you what to do when we win. And we're gonna get a song here going because we've been in this techno groove today and I just been spitting fire. Hey Joe, what are my chosen alts for the next bull run? Honestly, man, I have no idea. Like, all of the alts are gonna go up. Literally all of them. If you already bought the bundle, I'll give you VIP. Can I beat Jason Casper in a fight? Absolutely not. And why not? Because, hello, Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer. Yes, you heard that correctly. I am literally 5'2" 3/4. Jason's like 6'3", and he's jacked, and he eats chickens, which I eat chickens too, but I have to go to the store to get mine. And he's a way better trader than me. So no, I absolutely cannot beat Mr. Jason Casper in a fight. Shouts out to Jay, though. He's also the CEO of Treadmills, and I pay him royalties for every single step I take. Because Jason, in case you didn't know, literally invented walking. All right, guys, go ahead and hit the like button on that video and make sure you drop a comment. We are doing the giveaway here in a couple minutes, and then your boy is heading out. We're gonna get a song. It's the best thing. Shout out to Jet. When you make of the monthly MCA Green Bull, is this 500, 200 weekly? I don't really use EMAs like that, bro. Joe, can I get a promo code for your VIP Discord? I don't have any promotions right now for the Discord. Your content is very good, but walking, action music, and screaming is very stressful to watch for more than 15 minutes. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm a very loud and moving person. I apologize. I apologize, my friend. Can't really do much about that, though. This is who I am. If you want more chilled stuff, I do chilled streams in the Discord. Or, yeah, in the Discord. It's not good content. It's great content, and Gio's being modest. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you, Philly. I'm biased, though. Don't take my word for it. I'm biased. All right, what are we at? 51 comments. We're gonna do this giveaway here. We're gonna do the giveaway here in 3 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna go pee real quick, and then we're gonna do this giveaway. And if there's ever a time for you guys to get a good giveaway, is now, because there's not that many people in here, which is kind of nice. I kind of actually like the smaller stream. It's more intimate. I'm getting too big. You love it? Wish you could exercise while working. Yeah. Oh wait, hold on. Jet, don't ever disrespect me like that again. I'm sorry. Jabs. No, I called you Jat, not Jabs. I would never disrespect you by calling you Jabs. Shouts out to Yash. I love it. Wish I could exercise while working. I'll tell you this. It is a game changer, man. It's a game changer. And when I first, like, obviously Jay inspired me to do that. I've always been an active person. I've always ate healthy. I've always hit the gym. And my problem is, especially when I started YouTube and I started making content, is it is hard for me to, like, I have ADHD, and so first of all, it's hard for me to focus. When I'm walking, I don't realize I'm working, and when I'm working, I don't realize I'm walking. So I've been on this thing for an hour and 15 minutes already, and it's like gone by like nothing. But more importantly than that, I gym every day and I do cardio every day. But now I can do my cardio at home while I'm working, and I can pump out more content for you guys, as opposed to just, like, you know, spending an extra hour or extra 45 minutes or whatever at the gym, which eats up in content time. So that's really what it was. Like, it's a game changer because of my ADHD, but it's also a game changer because I don't have to spend that much time. I'm at the gym for like 2 hours a day anyway. So now don't have to be at the gym for like 3 hours of it. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go pee real quick. As soon as we come back, we're gonna do the giveaway. So I will be right back, my friendos. BRB. She gone astray so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants the night or a baby. All right, guys, listen, last little speech I'm going to give you guys before I head out, because this is important. I say this every day, so sorry if you're here every day, but I'm going to tell you this, guys. It is not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to figure out this game. And if I can make a difference, if I can help make a difference, then that's all I want to do, man. When I go into the ground, I want to go to a good place. That's it. I just want good. We're in a beautiful mood today, guys. It's a great day to be alive. Okay, I am celebrating life today for no real reason. No real reason than just being blessed. Okay, so if you're struggling on that side of the screen, I say this all the time, baby. It is not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to learn this game. And if you're struggling, I believe in you. I got high hopes in you. And if my boot camp can help push you there, then that's good enough for me. So we're gonna do the giveaway now, guys. I got high hopes in y'all. Let's get it, baby. As I have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars. Always have high hopes. Mama said, fulfill the prophecy, be something greater. Go make a legacy, manifest destiny. Back in the days, we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. No more love. Sing it! To see you waiting. Because I have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars. Yo, let's get the pickle emojis. Guys, from now on, every time we're doing the giveaway, let's get those pickle emojis. Pickle emojis, pickle emojis, pickle emojis. Always have high. Always have high. All right, guys, and the winner of the giveaway is boom! Congratulations, John Spracklin 4087. You are the winner, my friend. Please do me a solid. Take a screenshot of the YouTube. Take a screenshot of your YouTube. Take a screenshot of this. Head over to the Discord. Enter a ticket. Let us know which one of the 4 boot camps you want, and I will get that discount code for you ASAP as possible, bruv. Congratulations. Guys, I'm in a good mood today, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make you a deal. I'm gonna make you a deal, and I'm not gonna turn back on my deal. I have 154 likes right now. If we can get to 175, 20 more likes in the next 3 minutes, I will do another giveaway. Go ahead, go. Go, go, go. Like it up. 21 more likes. I need 175 in the next 2 weeks. Or 2 weeks. Jeez. In the next 2 minutes. Let's see if we can get it. And I'll do another one for you. But I gotta be fair to myself. It's 175 or bust. And the time is 11:36. You got till 11:38 and 30 seconds. 175, we'll do it. Anything short of 175, we're not doing it. Cheered you up. I'm glad you guys you got cheered up. We'll do. Let's hit the next. I like these giveaway songs, the fun songs. Here's another good one. This is a banger, guys. This is a banger. Guys, I want to give it away to you. Come on now. I want to. 9 more. We need 9 more likes. How much? What's the time? You have 1 minute. 9 more likes. I want to. Please, I want to give it away for you. I want to. But I have to be fair to myself. 9 more likes. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Mama said. Come on now. 6 more likes. We got like 45 seconds. No, I lied. We have 55 seconds right now. 5 more likes. I'm watching it. It's gonna be close. 5 more likes. Come on now. The ADHD comment. Yeah, I got way ADHD, bro. Way ADHD. 2 more likes. 2 more, baby. Come on. Who the F ever plays this? Yo! Not only are we at 175 likes, not only are we in a great mood, not only should we be celebrating life today and every single other day, not only is tomorrow Matt BTC's birthday, and you best your ass we're gonna sing happy birthday for him because we gotta spread the love. Here's the vid, but we're doing one more giveaway before I head out. Go. We got it. Everybody go to that video. Make sure you like that video and drop a comment. Doesn't matter what the comment says, it has to have a wave emoji. Has to have a wave emoji. And we're doing that in 1 minute. Jabs, good morning, my brother. How are you? You like bananas because they're better than pickles. Well, then good thing I have a pickle. Come on now. Let's go, baby. I'm going to tell you this. As soon as I hit the next giveaway, I am going to be saying goodbye. So I will do the greetings, or not the greetings, the goodbyes now. Everybody, I hope you have an amazing day. Tomorrow, we are streaming for Mr. Matt BTC's birthday. And we do karaoke in the Discord. Shouts out to Igor. Let's hit this giveaway, and then everybody have an amazing day. I love you all. More love, more life. More money, more life. Kenny's a G. Shouts out to All Star Auto Group Inc. If you guys need an automobile, I'm sure they can hook you up. I love you, bro. I love you guys. What's up, Sweet Davy? Kryptone. We're not piecing out yet. We got one more giveaway. What are we at? What's the comments at? No, we're gonna do that again. That was a banger. Come on now. We're sticking to that. Screw this. We're sticking here. No, not this. I want You Should Be Dancing. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna find it. I want that. Come on now. We're gonna do the second giveaway. Damn, this was a fun stream. Let's go. Let's go. Giveaway number 2, guys. I'm gonna turn the music up. We're gonna fucking dance right now. Come on now. Come on now. the second giveaway today is... Oh, that's a bot. We're going to do it again. The winner is... Boom! Congratulations, my friend. BR Rounder. I know who you are, man. Open up a ticket. Do you already have them? I thought you already got the boot camps, brother. I'll tell you this. I don't remember if you have them. I'm sorry. But if you do have them, you are allowed to give it away to whoever it is that you like. But open up a ticket. Let us know the sauce. I don't remember if you have them. If you have them, you can give it away. If not, let me know which one you want, bro. Everybody have an amazing day. Happy trading. Be safe. Stay disciplined. And that, my friends, is Curtains. Set my heart Okay, you know what? You know what? Fine. Fine. If he's won before, we're going to do it again. We're going to run it back. Let's go. We're going to do another one. Fine. Come on now. Who's still with me? Let me see. Listen, I don't know who's still with me, and I'm sorry that I kind of catfished you there. Whoever's still with me right now, drop a cucumber emoji right now. If you're still with me. You should be dancing. Yeah. You should be. Philly. Philly's here. I didn't plan for this one, man. All right, we got Drew still here. We got Philly still here. We got Jet here. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Let's go, man. Let's go. All right, y'all. Here, check me out. Yeah, that was a fake out. Y'all just shorted and I just longed. Our boy wants another one. Okay, guys, this is how we're going to do it. Here's how we're going to do this one. Because the person, if I do another comment picker, then they might win. It was listening to the outro. We're going to hit it again. Don't worry. Listen. Listen, hear me out. Okay? Here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to pause the music and then we're going to go back. Guys, I am going to say a word. Okay, I'm going to say, you know what? Actually, should I do it on the Discord? Should we do it in the Discord? I am debating. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm on the, no, because there's a delay. Here's what we're going to do. Yeah, you should have watched the vectors, guys. Here's what we're going to do, man. I'm going to say a word right now on stream. I understand there's a delay. You guys want to know a little secret? Go ahead and change your speed of the stream to like 1.25 so you get caught up to all the data that's already been put out to you. So that, I don't want, look, I'm going to say a word. You guys are going to type the opposite of that word, okay? So if I say summer, then you're going to type winter. And the first person that types winter is going to be the winner of the next boot camp because I kind of fucked it up here, okay? That's how we're going to do it. We have your comments up here. We have my ugly face, large on the camera. That's how we're going to do the one here, okay? So just a reminder, I'm going to say summer, and then you're going to type winter. You got to type the opposite. Change the speed to 1.2% so that we don't, so that you're caught up, okay? Let me think of a word now. Okay. Here, you're going to type it here. Okay. Are you ready? The word is the opposite word, guys. The opposite word of what I say You have to type it here. The first person to type it is the winner. Okay, first person to type it is the winner. Here. Okay, the word is... The word is deep. Go, 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 go! Come on now! Congratulations, Steven Stewart. Brother, you are the winner of the next giveaway. You know the drill, bro. Take a screenshot. You doesn't need to be here. Take a screenshot of your name. Open up a ticket. Let us know which one you want. Congratulations, guys. And for real this time, I'll catch y'all next time. Have a good day, everybody. Happy trading. And that is curtains. Set my heart on fire.